Hello lovelies, this is the reverse chain stitch. It's just a different way of doing the chain stitch. We're actually going to start with a lazy daisy stitch. So you're going to come up through your fabric from behind and you're going to go right back into that same hole but leave a loop. You need the loop. Then bring your needle up through the fabric a stitch length away and pull it gently through. Then you're going to tack that in place by going just above that loop of thread. Now this time you're going to come up through the fabric a stitch length away from that previous stitch, and you're going to bring your needle up through and pass it under those two bits of thread that form that lazy daisy. So you're going under, pulling it through and going back down through the hole at the base of that stitch. And that is your reverse chain stitch. It's just a different way of doing it. So bring your needle up through the fabric a stitch length away and pass your needle under those two strands of thread. You can use the eye of the needle if you don't want to catch the pointy bit on your thread. But be careful, needles are sharp and pointy and they will hurt you. And just like the normal chain stitch, it's brilliant for curves, text and lines. It also works great for a knitted effect and for basket effects. Happy stitching.